Oh, no, she's like a sister to me. Sabi ng mga kaibigan ko na I rarely post with girls sa Instagram.
So walang malis?
Wala talaga. She's like a sister to me, and para sa akin, pagkasama ko siya sa surf trip, I feel really safe dahil ang dami niyang alam eh. She knows everything about the food, and she's a kid. She knows how to handle herself sa malalaking alon. So stress-free talaga, and kilala niyo yung mga locals doon, and she makes me become part of that family.
Ganda, no? And she takes the bus?
Yeah, she takes the bus. Sobrang cowboy talaga, and I learned so much from her and her dad. Kaya it's such an honor talaga to be part of that Japanese ninja experience, diba? There's a type of surfing na tinatawag namin soul surfing. There's a type of surfing na barkada surfing, na pag nasa dagat ka, kasama mo lang mga barkada mo, surf ka, nag-enjoy ka. There's a lot of you, parang there's no connection with nature. Pag soul surfing naman, it's you wake up in the morning, you witness the sunset, you say a prayer or two, tapos ikaw lang at yung alon, kayo lang nagko-connect sa dagat. At basically, it's finding your soul. It's a little bit of meditation din. Stretching for health. Tapos tinuro niya rin sa akin sa raw food diet na-influence na rin si Mara. So, nasa Baler kami for 6 days. Spending that much time in nature, pagbalik mo dito sa city, mapapansin mo talaga na lahat ng mga ina-attain natin na material wealth, na yung mga gusto natin ma-attain dahil napapanood natin sa commercial, mapapansin natin na we don't really need that. Exactly. And the more you spend time in nature, the more you realize when you get back to the city that this is all just an illusion.
So back to basics?
Back to basics. Back to simple life. Dahil this is the Philippines. I don't think we were supposed to live like the Americans. Silang nag-influence sa atin para mabuhay ng ganyan. I believe we're supposed to have good food, good farming. We have infinite resources. We have beautiful resources, beautiful places, good nature. I don't think we were supposed to ruin it. It's an exchange gift para sa mga fans dahil nagsimula siya sa mga fans clubs na pumupunta kami sa mga restaurants, nagpapapicture. Parang feeling ko wala ako nabibigay sa kanila para pag-uwi nila, may mararemember sila. Pero sa kanila, syempre, parang na-meet nila yung kung saan sila fan. Pero para sa akin, parang wala akong nagawa. So sabi ko, kahit saan, kahit sino, invite mo ako mag-tree planting game. Dahil in that way, we're also giving back to nature. Nakakapaghinga tayo ng magandang oxygen sa probinsya. And at the same time, we're creating an awareness na we should take care of nature. Call me a hippie, whatever you want, tree hugger, or you will laugh now, but I'm telling you, in the end, you'll realize why we're
serious yan.
Yeah, serious ang bagay ito.
So,
but we're having fun while doing it.